Hey guys, you guys said it, so here we are, my natural brow makeup look. The brows plays a huge role in our makeup routine. You know what they say, brows frame the eyes, hair frames the face. So without further ado, let's start. So here's what I do when shaping my brows. I identify first what my brows lack. Is it the shape, the volume, the color, or are they tamed? So in my case, they lack volume. They're kind of all over the place. So using a spoolie brush or any brow comb you have, comb your hairs upwards to reveal your canvas. Now gently lift your skin and start shaving the excess hairs. If you're not that decided yet for the shape, you can use a white or nude eyeliner to draw your desired shape. For me, I'm not really a fan of the Korean brows wherein they're kind of thick and straight, so I like to add a little arch just so it frames my eyes. I have a unibrow, so my eyebrows meet at the middle, so I have to shave that as well. But sometimes the hairs are a little too short, so I use my tweezers to remove the remaining hairs. I use about 3 different eyebrow products, but that depends on the mood and the need. This product is the BILENA Precision Blender. It's available in all stores for only 85 pesos. This is my holy grail, so I like to start first at the bottom, making a clean shape and line, concentrating most of the product at the outer part of my brows. This product is pigmented, so I suggest going really light-handed. You only need a teensy tiny bit, and now you can blend away. It's for those days you don't want to look too made up. We definitely can't forget the other brow, right? Now, if you want to be a little extra, this Maybelline Fashion Brow Trio would be the right guy for you. For only 399 pesos, this already has wax, powder, and the applicator. I'm using the wax first, making clean lines using the applicator that comes with it. This is an excellent product for me, especially for traveling, as the applicator is small yet efficient. And now I just fill it in using the powder that comes with it just to set the wax. And with small strokes, trying to mimic hairs to make it look more natural, slowly putting the remaining product at the inner part. Now the next product that we have here is a love-hate relationship. This is the BYS Brow Gel. It's just the same price as Maybelline, 399 pesos as well. But this one is a bit hard to work with as it dries fast, but it's waterproof. I used this back when I traveled in Palawan and I swear by this. It's waterproof. It won't budge. Now, to make it work, I add 1 to 2 drops of oil, but for the sake of the aesthetics in the video, I added 3. Sorry, just don't add too much or else it'll be too liquidy for you to work with. The applicator that came with it sucks, so I have a separate one. I use the applicator sometimes that comes with the Maybelline when I'm traveling, and then on normal days I use this really long eyebrow brush to apply it on my brows. Now as you can see, adding too much oil makes it difficult to work with. But if this sets, it's going to be budge proof and it's great for beach lovers like me. Now I will set and use this BILENA Brow Gel. I really can't remember how much this was, but I think it's cost around 85 pesos as well. I suggest using brow gels if you don't have much hairs in your eyebrows because it creates an illusion of having volume and hair. and now you're finished. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please, please, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and then comment down below because I'll be reading your messages for sure. So this has been me. I guess I'll just see you on my next video. Thank you again guys so much for watching, and have a great day. I'll see you on my next video. Bye!